It's raining, so let's get some. Standing under this tree, so hopefully we don't get hit by lightning. Oh shit, I just lost my car.
No, please, no!
Hi, Georgie. Aren't you gonna say hello?
It went in the gutter, guys. That shit went in the gutter. I'm gonna have to go get something to pull that shit out with, man. Fuck. Let's see if it still works, guys. Woo. Reverse. Forward. Thank God it still works, guys. I'm all soaked. I had to lay in that damn gutter and pull that shit out. I had to use this damn water hose extension to grab it and pull it out. I didn't have nothing else. So, at least you guys know Traxxas, tough, because that thing was getting caked with water from the gutter. Like it was raining hard right now. Oh man, I gotta get inside and dry up. I was able to wash it and dry it up. It does work, so it's a good thing I waterproofed my receiver, or this thing would have died. This thing was sitting in the gutter for like 20 minutes while I could find something to pull it out with. And then it was pouring. Right when this happened, it started pouring hard. Gutter rain all over me, my clothes, my shoes. I had to take a shower. I had to wash this thing, get all the oil and grime off of it. It was pretty nasty, but it's clean now. All right, guys.